Hi friends, this is 5 Monster Group channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove lock screen camera shortcut or replace lock screen camera shortcut in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. If you put lock screen and if you again try to turn on in the right side bottom corner, you will see one icon, camera icon. If you swipe up on this icon, camera will be directly opened. So this is called camera shortcut on lock screen. If you want to remove or replace this camera shortcut with any other function, you can do it. For that, first go to the settings and click on lock screen and wallpaper and click on lock screen settings and click on right shortcut. In the right shortcut, camera is available, so click on right shortcut and you can replace it with any other function like phone or wallet or device controls. So from these four options you can select. So here I select wallet, and in a similar way you can click on left shortcut. By default in the left shortcut phone will be available, but now camera is selected because I have changed in the right shortcut camera to wallet, so it is selected here camera, and you can set phone or device control or whatever may be. And now put lock screen and now see the changes. So in this way, you can easily replace or remove camera shortcut on lock screen in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.